Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing residency and non-immigrant visas. And the reason I started thinking of this, I was reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, that's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, "Grimaces Replace Smiles for Retirees." And they were doing sort of a Q&A in this article with the Immigration Bureau Deputy Commander, Police Major General Achayan Kraitong. And as I said, it's kind of question and answer. Bangkok Post asked him things. He answered them. Quoting directly, "Why are expats who have lived, worked, and paid taxes here for over a decade still considered non-immigrants and ineligible for government health care or welfare benefits?" Question mark. Quoting directly, "Regardless of their length of stay, unless they are undergoing a process to change their nationality, their status remains that of a foreigner. At present, no state welfare benefits are extended to non-Thais." Now, he got to the issue there of health care and welfare benefits, but something that kind of went unsaid here was, they're talking about non-immigrants, and okay, understood this was a benefits question. You also got to take into account non-immigrants are considered, by their very nature, it's in the title of the visa, they're a non-immigrant. They're not permanently in Thailand in a legal sense. Now, in a tax liability sense, they may be considered tax resident, and other jurisdictions may consider them resident in Thailand for their legal purposes. But for purposes of Thai immigration, in order to be covered under the provisions of the Immigration Act that don't relate to non-immigrants, so the immigrant side, you have to have gained permanent residence. So the reason for the video is, I understand the question regarding benefits, but it got me thinking that maybe further clarification is really needed that, look, non-immigrants, even if you're here for 10 years in non-immigrant business visa status, marriage visa status, retiree status, you're still a non-immigrant. At the end of the day, you're not in resident status. Now, it is possible to start tolling time, for example, toward residency and apply and gain residence, and then you're covered under a different section of the Act, and, for example, don't have to deal with things like 90-day reporting, visa renewal whatsoever. You're just a resident. If you want to stay in Thailand thereafter, you don't really have to deal with any kind of visa renewal or visa extension. And you don't have to deal with things like TM30 reporting. But as noted, in order to gain certain benefits, you've got to become a Thai citizen because Thai government benefits are not granted to non-Thai nationals.